Luban No.7 is a mech-craft masterpiece created by Master Luban. Don't let his diminutive size fool you. He possesses incredible destructive abilities. His passive converts every 5th basic attack or the 1st basic attack after a skill into Scatter Shot, which can hit the enemy 3 times. His enhanced basic attack has a longer range and can be used to whittle down towers. Luban No.7 skill 1 is his main DPS skill. He hurls a grenade at the enemy, damaging and slowing any enemy within range, while also granting vision of enemies hit. Luban No.7 skill 2 is his sole crowd control skill. Using the skill launches a rocket that knocks back any enemies right in front of him. Fire the rocket across the entire map to gain vision of the enemy it hits. This skill is also an excellent tool for cleaning up the enemy at long range. Luban No.7's ultimate can be used to randomly bombard enemies within range, dealing physical damage and slowing them. Scouting the brush for enemies is one possible use for this skill. This skill combo allows Luban No.7 to deal maximum damage. First, use the ultimate and an enhanced basic attack to damage and slow the enemy. After that, keep the damage and slow effect going with skill 1 before slamming the enemy with another enhanced basic attack to reduce their health. Finally, use skill 2 to deal extra damage and another enhanced basic attack to clean up any enemies with low health. This skill combo primarily works by alternating skills with basic attacks for high frequency damage output that will wear down the enemy quickly. Luban No.7 is fantastic at taking down towers. When pushing with your teammates, go for the towers as much as possible. As he is rather squishy, keep him in the backline during teamfights. In these scenarios, alternate his ultimate and skill 1 with basic attacks to deal damage and keep his skill 2 handy for moments when an enemy gets a jump on him. As a marksman, Luban No.7 has great burst capabilities. Make full use of his passive and active skills to poke the enemy while laning. Once you whittle down the enemy's health, it's time to look for openings to take down towers. In the mid to late game, when Luban No.7's equipment build is more or less fleshed out, he'll also be able to deal burst damage to tanks in the enemy's front line. At this time, keep him close to the rest of the team and at the back where he can provide steady damage output.
Admire my weapons systems! Humanoid cannon firing! Anyone call tech support?